everybody, welcome back to Suka Gue Coffee channel. We today are making a drink that is a menu at Oma Cafe using Scotsman Gourmet Ice. So the drink is called Iced Matcha Latte with a question mark at the end. Why question mark? Because it is an iced matcha latte, but not with a normal latte, not with normal milk. And also it tastes so good that it makes you question if it's actually an iced matcha latte. So very simple. We need an aerator. Today we have this commercialized one, and then we have our DOA milk, dairy, oat, and cashew. So we're using 80 grams of that. And then we're using 10 grams of rich syrup, which is a 2-to-1 sugar to water ratio. So it's like simple syrup, but a bit more intense. 10 grams of that. And then we have our matcha. This matcha is a Goku variety. So it's from Japan, it's from Uji, but it's really good. It's bitter, like how matcha is bitter, but it's not to the point that it's super bitter that you can't really taste anything else. It has this pistachio-like flavor. And then also together with the DOA milk, it gives us this really nice umami flavor as well. So we're using 2 grams of the matcha powder. Sieve that through. Hey folks, jadi kita ada misi. Misinya adalah tembus 50.000 subscriber di Suka Gue Coffee channel. Nah, untuk ini kita butuh bantuan kalian. Kita mau adain giveaway supaya kalian termotivasi untuk subscribe dan follow segala macam account kita. Giveaway-nya apa? Well, kita kasih taunya ntar aja kalau udah 50.000. Tapi kita pengen coba supaya kalian bisa subscribe ke YouTube channel Suka Gue Coffee channel, Instagram account So Good, TikTok account So Good, dan juga Instagram dan TikTok account gua pribadi. Mohon bantuannya, semoga kita bisa sama-sama terus belajar tentang kopi dan terus membuat konten yang suka-suka. Ciao. And then we're going to aerate this. While in the meantime, we're going to prep our serving glass with our Scotsman Gourmet Ice. Get a pre-chilled glass. Our beautiful Scotsman ice. They're these really big ice cubes, so they don't melt as quick as the other ice cubes. We also made them with distilled water, so it's great at chilling the drink, but it doesn't dilute the flavors or change the flavor as it cools down. There you go. It's very simple. Great ingredients, great ice cubes, great iced matcha latte.